Tibetans to second-class citizens in our own country. The children have to learn Chinese if they are to get any education. And people who do not know Chinese have no scope of getting any proper jobs.
Hi, I'm Kusang and I'm 23 years old and I'm from Tibet and I came from Tibet when I was 7 years old.
Hello, I am Denzi and I am a board member of the Tibet Hope Center. Our message to others is that don't forget that you are Tibetans, and yes, we will be Tibetans forever.
I'm Lavtuk Sangpo. I come to India by crossing the Himalayas so that I can have the opportunity to study and have the audience with His Holiness the Dalai Lama.
What's wrong with the world, mama? People living like they ain't got no mamas. I think the whole world's addicted to the drama, only attracted to things that'll bring the trauma. But if you only have love for your own race, then you only leave space to discriminate. And to discriminate only generates hate. And when you hate, then you're bound to get irate. Yeah, madness is what you demonstrate, and that's exactly how anger works and operates. Man, you gotta have love just to set it straight. Take control of your mind and meditate. Let your soul gravitate to the love, y'all.
People killing, people dying, children hurt and you hear them crying. When you practice what you preach and what you turn the other cheek. Father, 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 help us, send some guidance from above. These people got me questioning.